Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Steps Towards Success. Today's topic is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल की बात करने से पहले हमें सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज अ मल्टीपल. मल्टीपल when we multiply a given whole number by any other whole number, the result is a multiple of that number. Suppose we have to write multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. We get the multiples of 2 by multiplying it by any whole number. Suppose we multiply it by 1, then we get 2 as the multiple. Then we will multiply 2 by 2. 2 को हम 2 से multiply कर रहे हैं, then we get 4. अगर हम इसी को 3 से multiply करते हैं, then we get 6. And like this we get 8, 10, 12 and so on. These are the multiples of 2. इसी तरीके से we can find multiple of 7. 7 के multiple होंगे, if we multiply it by 1 then we get 7 as the multiple. If we multiply it by 2, 2 से multiply करते हैं, then we get 14 as the multiple of 7. 3 से multiply करेंगे, then we get 21 and like this all these will be the multiples of 7. इसी तरह से हम किसी के भी multiples निकाल सकते हैं. Now multiple of 11 will be 11, 22, 33 and so on. अगर हम LCM की बात करते हैं, then first of all we find the common multiples. Suppose we have to find common multiples of 3 and 4. The multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and so on. Now multiple of 4 is 4 के multiple होंगे 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Now common multiples of 3 and 4. Common multiples of 3 and 4. अगर हम common की बात करते हैं, then 12 is the common multiple of 3 and 4 and also 24 is common multiple of 3 and 4. 12 and 24 जो है वे हम इन दोनों के multiples हैं, 3 का भी है and 4 का भी है. Like this you can get some more common multiples. But if we talk about least common multiple of 3 and 4, तो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं least common. It is the smallest common multiple and this 12 is the smallest common multiple of 3 and 4. So LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Now we find LCM of 6 and 8 by common multiple method. Now first of all we will write multiples of 6. Multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and so on. Like this we will write multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 will be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and so on. Now we will select common multiples. Common multiples of 6 and 8. Here we see that 24 is the common multiple between 6 and 8. Also 48 is common multiple of 6 and 8. So we'll write here 24, 48 and so on. All these are the common multiples of 6 and 8. Now we will find LCM. LCM or least common multiple. It means the smallest multiple of 6 and 8. It is 24. This is the LCM of 6 and 8. Find LCM of 5 and 10. First of all, we will write multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Now common multiples. Common multiples of 5 and 10. We see that 10 is common multiples of 5 and 10. Also 20 is common multiple of 5 and 10 and 30 is also common multiple of 5 and 10. So we will write 10, 20, 30 and so on. All these are common multiples of 5 and 10. Now LCM of 5 and 10. In the LCM we take least common multiple. Least common multiple is 10. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Thank you.